Is your husband angry because you are sick? I'm Addison, and here is your private affirmation session to restore peace, calm, and healing in your world. These classic quotes are 18 powerful affirmations to increase patience, neutralize anxiety, and manifest abundance in your life quickly. Breathe deeply and stay until quote number 1. It's one of my personal favorites. Ready? Let's go. Number 18. Tact is the art of making a point without making an enemy. Sir Isaac Newton. 17. Those who do not remember the past are condemned to repeat it. George Santayana. 16. Your body is your only way to move your brain from point A to point B. Take care of it. Dr. Michael Colgan. So as this only point among the rest remaineth sure and certain, namely that nothing is certain. Plato. After enlightenment, the laundry. Josh Billings. Opera is when a guy gets stabbed in the back and instead of bleeding, he sings. Ed Gardner. You save an old man, and you save a unit, but save a boy, and you save a multiplication table. Gypsy Smith. I love to watch times change. Karl Lagerfeld. He can compress the most words into the smallest ideas of any man I ever met. Abraham Lincoln. In a country as big as the United States, you can find 50 examples of anything. Jeffrey F. Chamberlain. When I get a little money, I buy books, and if any is left, I buy food and clothes. Desiderius Erasmus. The course of true love never did run smooth. William Shakespeare, 1740. Defense is a definite part of the game, and a great part of defense is learning to play it without fouling. John Wooden. The waking mind is the least serviceable in the arts. Henry Miller. I was looking for something a lot heavier, yet melodic at the same time. Something different from heavy metal, a different attitude. Kurt Cobain. We are a kind of chameleon, to kick our hue, the hue of our moral character, from those who are about us. John Locke. It's nice to be with someone, but I don't think you need to be in a relationship to feel complete. That would be really sad. Kristen Davis. My mom was a source of strength. She showed me by example that women, regardless of how difficult life may get, can do it all. Gloria Estefan. I'm just curious, do you like the law of attraction? We're giving away copies of our Dream Life Manifestation program to new followers as a thank you. If I gave you the link, would you check the program out? Be sure to check out the first link in the description. If you would tap the like button, it would make my day. Which affirmation was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this amazing playlist of my Law of Attraction secrets, and I'll see you in the next session. Have an amazing day.